Baie welkom hier by nog 'n episode. Ons het 'n lekker sporterige episode. Saam met my is Ryan. Ryan, baie welkom.
Thank you, Shaq.
So hy gaan saam met ons aanbied. Hy gaan onderhoud doen in Engels. Who are you talking to today?
So today we were speaking to Johan Witbooi, who's the vice chairman of St. Helena Bay Rugby Club.
En dis 'n baie belangrike een want julle sal onthou, ons het met Johan Drey gesels en Johan Drey het ons bietjie meer vertel van al die goeders. Maar Johan is sy pa. En jy is ook betrokke hier by die sport. Wat presies doen jy?
So I do the video analysis for the club. Look over gameplay, see where we can improve what we can do, and then I also help out with coaching the first team.
Want hierdie span kook mense, hulle kook. Maar waar verwag ons? Let's do the interview.
Let's go. Good morning, Anonymous. My name is Ryan Germeses. We are currently at Gray's Eatery in Vredenburg, and I'm joined by a very special guest, the Vice Chairman of St. Helena Bay Rugby Club, Mr. Johan Witbooi. So Witbooi, welcome. How are you doing today?
Thank you. Thank very much for the invitation.
It's great to have you here. Mr. Witbooi, can you give us a bit of a background about St. Helena Bay Rugby Club?
What I know from St. Helena Bay Rugby Club is actually established in 1977 and thereon improved over the years. Many players from St. Helena Bay Rugby Club was involved in Provincial Boland. Rhino Benjamin, a local son of St. Helena Bay, played for the Box Sevens. Yes. So yeah, St. Helena Bay is actually a well-established rugby club in St. Helena Bay. Playing in the Boland top league on the west coast. Yeah.
Awesome. And Mr. Witbooi, with St. Helena being and Laneville being such a tight community, what does the community mean to the club with the support that you guys get from the community week in and week out?
Yeah, I think it's massive. Our support base is a very strong support base, and we can notice every week how matches attended by our supporters. I said to someone once that the rugby club play a massive role in our community to change the mindset. I think one of the club's biggest aim to actually establish peaceful town is to establish when guests come into St. Helena Bay, they must see, but this is a friendly town within the West Coast. So I think that's the purpose of the rugby club, to actually teach and to influence our people in a good way. Yes. So every Saturday, full support. Even when we travel, we take over other rugby fields with our supporters. So I think I appreciate the support that we get from our supporters.
Awesome. I think that's one of the biggest things I've noticed as well, is the support, whether it's a home game, away game. Nothing changes. The crowd's there from the third team game all the way through to the first.
Yes, nothing changed. I should say over the last 3 months, our supporters, we bought around about 150,000 of supporter outfit. It shows you how people appreciate our club, and you need to attach to our club. I think that is important. But we enjoy the rugby of St. Helena Bay. This is actually on a Saturday afternoon. This is where you must go. Go to a rugby field, especially St. Helena Bay, and enjoy the rugby. This is what it's all about on a Saturday afternoon.
Giving back to the community now, we're going to move into speaking about the Youth Week that's coming up for St. Helena Bay.
I think St. Helena Bay Rugby Club as a club is so blessed because this year a lot of businesses come on board. We launched the banner partner partnership, so where business can buy banners and place it on our fence. They pay a subscription, annual subscription for the year. Also, last year, Petec, which is now the main sponsor of this junior program, they came on board as one of our partners, and we are privileged to actually meet the MD, Kobus Bierkus, he's the MD of Petek, and Chris Nell, who's the sales and marketing of Petek, and such good guys, people with good heart. So they got involved last year. Earlier this year when we approached them to sponsor this junior development, they say yes with the open heart. So they are the official sponsor.
Okay.
So we're busy with the planning phase, and the program is actually to involve the local schools within St. Helena Bay. Harpy Williams, A.J. McCarthy, Steenbergskov, St. Helena Bay Premier, but also the high school learners from St. Helena Bay. They will also be part of this program. So we will run this program from the 7th to the 9th of October in the school holiday, because we know this time of the year is Craven Week and all the schools are busy. So we decided to do in October. Just to highlight the junior development, we're in a process to invite ex-provincial players. We already spoke to Kobus van Wyk, and we all know Kobus van Wyk. He was a VP player on the wing. He played for the Sharks and he went overseas. So he's now locally here on the West Coast. We spoke to him. And we also spoke to my good friend, Mr. Cliffy Boyson. He's from Cape Town and he's connected with Adrian Jacobs. And he's busy arranged with Adrian Jacobs, who was a Shark Centre and Springbok Centre, to come and join us. I'm in conversation with the Boland to see if we can get Jan de Jong and maybe Heine Adams to the junior week, just to brighten up, you know, the program.
Also, I think it's incredible what you guys are doing, and if more community clubs especially can start doing these youth development weeks and developing rugby and the fundamentals with our youth, it can only mean great things going forward within rugby and growing the sport in our communities.
Our rugby club is so blessed to have such a huge club, over 100 players, such a huge support base. Yeah, I think there's great energy within St. Helena Bay Rugby, and I think the Junior Development Week is part of that initiative from the club.
Awesome. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Witbooi. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
And there we go, guys. If you're in St. Helena Bay, got young kids, and you want to get them involved in rugby, I think this is the perfect place to start. Thank you very much for joining us, Mr. Witbooi. We appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.